But if you look at the main chapters of this book, you will see that it's all about dealing with that panic situation, and why smart learners panic, and why trying harder makes it worse. And then you have to learn how to do your calm before competence, and stability comes first. And then we read chapter 4, your environment, how to fix that very quickly and gently. And chapter 5 was all about that timetable and the anchors. If you go and look for those videos, you'll see that we don't, in modern technology, when it comes to studying, we don't just do a planner with lots of hours for every subject. We talk about anchors. And an anchor, very briefly, for those that don't know, is when you say, at 3:30 this afternoon, I'm going to get home, I'm going to sit on my chair, take out one of my books, and I'm going to do 20 minutes of actual mathematics. That's an anchor.